Yo guys, welcome back to Ultra Legend. Today we are here with our fourth flight, DJI Mini 3 Pro. We're in a different area. As you can see, sunset looks kind of cool. We're gonna take off now. So yeah, let's take off. We're gonna start recording locally. Now I can take off.
Takeoff. Home point
So
updated.
we're in the air now. As you can see, nice view. I'm gonna go quite high now. Already cannot hear the drone. Absolutely quiet. We are really high now. Good view. We're in a nice area. You can see the lake. We've got a lake over here. Look at that view. Absolutely insane. I was gonna come here when it's sunny, but by the time I came here, it was the sun had already gone. So I fly over the lake. Nah, it's too risky. Actually, let's just fly over it. Alright, over the lake now. Let's go to the... We're over the lake, over the island now. Oh no! Alright, we're good. We're over a lake now, an island. As you can see, looks really nice. You can see a 360 view. Okay, while we're here, let's do a 360 photo. Actually, let's start heading back. Let's bring it back to where I am. I'm over here. Wait a minute. I think we went somewhere else. Yeah, we went somewhere else. Well, let's go to where I am now. So this is some sick flight, man. You don't want to get lost. Right, we're back home. I can see the drone now. It's a tiny dot in the sky. We can try and take a 360 photo. Are we over the lake? Yeah, it's just best to go over here. I can hear the trains. Let's try and find it. Look, you see the trains, look. So yeah. Where are we now? We see the map. Oh yeah, if I look down with the gimbal and sport mode, it just like messes up, so I've got to be careful. I don't want to cause damage to the gimbal. I kind of want to see what's there, but I'm not going to go too far with the drone. So as you can see quite a lot. See people down here. It's literally a lake view. We're gonna go the other way now. The drone's over there. We're gonna take a 360 photo.
Max altitude reached.
Taking a 360 photo. Drone is really stable up there. There's literally no wind today. I'll show you in the screenshot. As you can see in the screenshot, there's no wind at all. gonna switch back to video mode now. We're in sport mode now. We're gonna bring the drone down. And make sure we're not above anything. Quite far away actually. Let's turn around. Oh, it's really fast. Absolutely crazy. Let's try and go there fast. Actually, let's try and do FPV mode. I want to do FPV mode. Do this. We're now in FPV mode. Go look at the drone, make sure. Oh, this is sick, bro. Go make sure we're not above any trees or anything. You can even do it from quite high. Look at this. Look at that view. You can hear it, kind of. Let's go back to cinematic mode. Where's the drone now? We can see it. We're going to try and get a low down view. Look how fast it's going. Better make sure we have signal, otherwise it won't be good. Look at that. 34 miles an hour. Let's try and find stuff like... What mode are we in? FPV mode. Okay, we want to go back to normal mode. Because I forgot we were... For some reason I thought I was in FPV mode. Look at that. Look at that view. Literally in the beginning we were on an island. It was actually crazy. Let's make sure we're high. Actually I don't know if that's someone's land. Gotta be careful here. Gotta be high up. So yeah, I wanted to fly when it was more sunny. I can see the drone. Hear it. That sounds insane. That sounds incredible. The drone's been in a lot of places here. Right, let's try go as far to this land over there. I'll try and go as far as we can. Where's the drone there? It's been a lot of places around here.
Max
I don't even
altitude
know where to
reached.
go next. Where do I go? Let's try to go to that land. You can see the cars. You can see a lot. Look how high we are. Let's try and see that. Crazy. We are really far away. Alright. Let's try and get a low down shot. Absolutely, you can see the London skyline. It's actually quite cool. Let's look at that sunset. We've got 28%, so we're gonna stay around here now. Just in case it lands, we're gonna stay in this area. Get some nice view. Where is it now? It's over here. It's crazy, literally it's like a tiny dot in the sky. Right, we're gonna stay around here now. We've got 25%. We're gonna come back. We're not gonna go far. We don't want it to land in some random area. As you can see, I'm over here. That's me flying. You can see me waving. I mean, on my phone I can't see much, but on the PC, I mean, for you guys, you're watching it in 4K. Look at the train. You can see the sparks coming from the train. I want to get another 360 photo. So I'll keep the joysticks.
Max altitude
Max
reached.
altitude reach. Alright, we're gonna stay. Where am I flying? We're gonna stay right above where I am right now. I'm not gonna go above that water. Alright, gotta be careful with the gimbal because the gimbal, you can see a little, it looks so sick. Look at the lake in the sunset. Look, I want to fly it low down, but I don't want to risk it. It's really
Battery
really
level
dangerous.
is low.
I'm not gonna do it.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Drones is right over here. We're a little bit above the lake. Let's just bring it a little bit back. You can see the seagulls below me, look. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. I want to take a 360 photo right now. Battery, alright, we're gonna take, actually we can't do a 360 photo because we've got to be careful when we land because I don't want to hit any seagulls. Got to be careful. Look at the drone. Look at the seagulls. Alright, we got it back. I didn't charge it fully. Like I was gonna charge it 200%, but I didn't want to miss the sunset, so that's why I didn't charge it fully. But so let's get a nice view of this lake, little lake. Gonna go over it like this. Gotta be careful though. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Alright, I think we're gonna bring the drone back now. We're gonna hand grab it. Before I didn't know how to hand grab, but now I know how to hand grab. I watched the videos. You have to grab it from the back. So I'm literally right here, as you can see. I'm here. We're gonna hand grab it out the sky. Because what happens when I go in front of the sensors right now, look, I'm going in front of the sensors, the drone's gonna go up. So you gotta go behind it, grab it. I've got it in my hand now.
Critically low battery warning.
No, it's landed, look. So yeah guys, that was a really good flight. Hope you guys like this video. And yeah, peace out. I'm gonna end this video. We're gonna do more flights soon. Might be the last video of 2023 because it's near the end of the year. So yeah, guys, peace out. I'll do more. I want to do more amazing flights in 2024. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna take a more cinematic shot. We're gonna go to a lot of places. Alright, guys, peace out.